Hey YouTube, what's up? Just thought I'd make a video on how to install Windows 7 themes. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go into your search browser thing, and what you're gonna want to do is type in Universal Theme Patcher, right there. Okay, so then what you're gonna want to do is it'll say Universal Theme Patcher for Windows 7. It probably won't be the first link, but it might. But go to one of the links, and then wait for it to load up. And then if you're on this page, you're gonna want to scroll down, but it'll probably be towards the bottom. And so it'll probably say something like download Universal Theme Patcher 1.5 or whatever. And so what you're gonna want to do is click this, and it'll download it. And I didn't really have to do that, but I did. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do now is you can minimize this, and what you're gonna want to do is go into your downloads or something, and you can extract it, or you can just go into the WinRAR, and you can look at my last video to see how to download WinRAR, or find another video on YouTube somewhere. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go find your WinRAR file and double click it, and mine is right somewhere. Oh, right here. Okay. So there's probably gonna be two files, and one's gonna be 64 and one's gonna be 86. So if you're a 64-bit, you're gonna want to install the 64, but if you're a 32-bit, you're gonna want to install the 86. And so I'm a 64-bit, so I'm gonna want to install this, and then this will come up, and what you're gonna want to do is make sure your language is right, and hit OK, and it will bring up this. And so mine says 3 files has been patched and 0 files need to patch, but yours will probably say 0 files have been patched and 3 files need to patch. So you're going to hit yes, and you're going to want to patch each of these files. And it's going to ask you to restart your computer. So then once you restart your computer, you'll go find a theme somewhere on the internet. So let's see, let's go find one. The best place probably to look for themes is deviantart.com. And so you're going to want to go into customization, and then skins and themes, and up here it'll say popular and like all time and all this stuff. You're going to want to make sure it's on all time, and then click 7 in the search bar, and it's search art, and there'll be a lot of like themes and stuff that will be here. So you're gonna want to look through here and install one, and so you're gonna want to go through here and find one you like. So I'm just gonna pick one. We'll pick, how about this one? And you're gonna want to probably read this, because it'll probably, sometimes there's special instructions you need to do and things. So you're gonna want to find one you like, and I'll just use this one, because some of these are like for only 64 bits or for only 32 bits. So over here it'll say download file, and you're gonna want to download the file, and then drag it over to here. And so then what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to extract the thing, the WinRAR or the 7-zip, whatever you're using, and extract it to desktop into like a new folder or something. So we'll put YouTube theme, and we'll extract it to that folder. Aha, okay. So it will be in this theme. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to double click on there and double click this, and it'll be somewhere here. sometimes there's readmes and you need to read this to see how to download it, but this one's going to be complicated, so I'll just show you one of the ones I downloaded. And so you want to go find your thing again, but this one I just kept in the WinRAR, because sometimes you don't have to extract the file. So I'm going to minimize this. What you're going to want to do is, sometimes there's files in here and you'll have to find the right files, but sometimes there's not, and you can just, it'll just be here. And so what you're going to want to do is, sometimes they'll be more complicated, but if they're simple, it'll just be a file and the theme. So what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to highlight the two folders, but I don't care about my Facebook updates right now. Okay. You're gonna want to start and go to computer, and then your C drive, and then Windows, and scroll down and find resources, and go into themes. Not the ease of access themes, but just themes. And then you'll want to take this file, and you'll want to drag these two into here. So I'm just gonna do it right now. So what you're going to want to do is pull that up or something. If you have dual screens, you can just pull it over, one screen over and the other one stay there. But I'm just going to drag these two over, and I'm going to, let's see. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I already have, but you'll just drag it over. Then you can sometimes you can click on the theme and it'll just change. Then there's an easier way. You can right click and hit personalize, and then if you scroll down you'll see installed themes, and it will usually be here somewhere. And so I'm going to use Victorian Glass, and so I'm going to click on it, and you're going to hear a sound saying it's changing, and then it'll say please wait. And if it says please wait, you know you've done it right, but otherwise you didn't do something. So you're gonna have to wait a bit because you can't do anything. You just kind of move your mouse. So it'll take usually 30 seconds, and you'll have to wait. There we go. Okay. So see, now I have my computer. Sometimes it has its own wallpaper, but now my start bar is darker a little bit, and you can your start bar sometimes, or your start menu will be different, and all my windows and stuff are different. So it'll take a while sometimes to find a theme that you like, but once you do, you'll be really happy with it. So this is my name's Dustin, and thank you for watching. Please watch and subscribe. Thanks.